Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
archaeologists. Oh, I was sorry, I saw the dinosaurs and I thought we were archaeologists. Together we are McPeek Adventures. Today we are at Zoorassic World at the Tulsa Zoo. As you can see, Stegosaurus right behind us. This is about to be one out of this time period adventure. Let's go adventuring. This is Jurassic World frozen in time.
At the Tulsa Zoo.
I was not expecting that to move.
I'm a little scared. Ah! Dinosaurus.
He was a speedy, smart dinosaur that lived during the Jurassic period.
Here we have the Edaphosaurus. Name is Sawyer for short. It's a remarkable prehistoric creature with a sail on its back. It is an herbivore, and this is its approximate size. Oh, this one's got a spiky sail.
Yeah, look at his teeth.
It is a Dimetrodon.
He looks nice, but I don't think he is.
Carnivore. Is one of the most unique reptiles to ever roam the earth.
As a kid, this was my guy right here. Boom. Stegosaurus. He's got all these things on his back and neck, so the big
he's looking at you.
T-Rex can't get him. Boom. Wards off all the bad guys with his armor. Check this dude out.
All the bad guys. Oh!
He has the spikes on his tail. Oh yeah, this guy is awesome.
If you are into dinos or your children are into dinos, it is a possibility that if they have a birthday coming up, you can host your birthday party here at the Tulsa Zoo at Jurassic World. So be sure to check into that because this could be really awesome. And this goes, I think I might have already said it, till September 1st. So it's open now, end of March through September.
This is the Gigantosaurus.
It's got some sharp teeth.
Every one of the dinosaur displays here has a little infographic. Shows you the approximate size, lets you know that these dinosaurs were massive compared to our human size. This guy right here was 40 feet long, even bigger than the T-Rex. Had some sharp teeth, and I don't think you want to end up anywhere near his mouth.
Oh my gosh, this thing is almost as tall as Sawyer.
This is the Omesaurus, and this guy, how tall was this?
Oh boy.
Oh, 60 feet long.
Luckily, it's an herbivore, so it only eats plants. Look at the little baby, it's so cute.
This is like the dinosaur version of a giraffe.
It's so cute.
When I was a little kid, I used to know a bunch of dinosaur names, and I feel like I haven't even talked about dinosaurs in years.
You feel like you're
And I see
busting
him, and
the
I'm
rust
like,
off?
how did I used to say this? The Ankylosaurus? I remember this guy was really cool too because it all these spikes, and he has the big like bone tail back there.
I feel like your favorite dinosaurs all have some sort of armor.
Well, yeah, I like the ones that could fight the T-Rex because if you just said, oh, the T-Rex is my favorite, like that's what everybody says. I wanted the dinosaur that could fight back against the T-Rex.
Got it.
Because the T-Rex was like the bully. Or at least they depict him as the bully. And I
That's
wanted
true.
like the Avengers of dinosaurs.
Oh,
Which are all the
got it.
ones that could team up and take on the bad guy, T-Rex.
I see.
If you have a Tulsa Zoo membership, it is an additional $5 per person to come through the Zoorassic World. and that is what we did. The Tulsa Zoo is a really great time. We made a video about it a while back, but if you like animals at all and you live in Tulsa, I would recommend getting a zoo membership. And then this is just, like I said, a $5 add-on to come through and view these dinosaur exhibits. And this thing is a lot of fun so far.
Today you might notice that the zoo is not that packed. It's because we were coming on a day where we were supposed to get some off-brand, but maybe not off-brand for Oklahoma cold weather, even though it's spring. So we decided, hey, you know, it stopped raining, so let's head over and see the Jurassic world at the zoo because it's probably not packed. And we were right.
Whoa, really? This is the official dinosaur of the state of Oklahoma?
Who knew? Until now.
The Acrocanthosaurus. I probably didn't say that right. It kind of looks like a T-Rex. 38 feet long, had tall spines along its back. Roamed North America hunting plant-eating dinosaurs. And here we have the villain of the dinosaur world.
The biggest bully, according to Sawyer.
The Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex.
I'd say he's the king of the dino world. And then the Megalodon. Wait.
Megalodon is a shark.
Oh my gosh.
What?
It was a dino.
Now we're traveling to the Ice Age. Ground sloth.
That is the biggest sloth ever. Holy smokes.
Was it also, ooh, I was gonna say really slow moving and then it stood up on us.
Ground sloths had powerful claws which they used for grasping trees or defending themselves, and they roamed forest and grassland. It doesn't say that they were slow. I'm assuming they're not as slow as a sloth we know today. Wow.
It looks intimidating, but it looks friendly at the same time.
I know.
And those claws on it. Are you a good guy or a bad guy? I think he would be friendly in the wild.
Woolly, 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 woolly mammoth. Oh.
Check this dude out.
An herbivore.
Iconic Ice Age creature. As you can see behind me, they also have the Dinosaur. This is gonna be the gift shop that is related to everything Zoorassic world here at the Tulsa Zoo. Shield your eyes. So the ones that spit.
Oh.
The Dilophosaurus. If you have kids that enjoy dinosaurs, you've got to bring them down to this. We had a blast, even though, you know, we're oldies, but we had a great time seeing the dinosaurs, listening to all of them, seeing them move around and stuff. Awesome time. Highly recommend.
Agree. Agree.
Adventurers, this concludes our time here at Jurassic World at the Tulsa Zoo.
If you enjoy this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure!